Alright guys, so I just finished the unboxing, as you can see. I'm gonna be reviewing Zippo right now. So let's get started. This Zippo is called Ice World 28340. Product number. Obviously you know where it's made. Top corner. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh, holy. Yes, look at that. Now that is a nice Zippo, isn't it? Let's take it out. It's kind of tight in there. That's what she said. There it is. There's a Zippo. Let's take out the back sticker so I can show you the insert. 1 second, sorry. Alright, so this was made in 2014 B. So this year and gun was so 1 second. It's got a tight hinge on it. I guess it's brand new. So let's take out the insert. Tight insert. It was made the exact same time. Wow. Obviously it's brand new, so it doesn't have no gas in it. Yeah, and just put this back in here. Stick it back on. Alright, so yeah. I will be reviewing a couple other Zippos that I got in this unboxing video. So definitely stay tuned to that. So yeah. Anyways, I'll just show you all the other stuff. I got a pack of flings, an extra wick, another pack of flings. And I got 2 Zippos here. This is the one I just unboxed, so you can take the lid off that. And these, I'm not gonna show you it because I'm gonna unbox in a different video, but yeah, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be pretty awesome. I got some lighter fluid, and thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Go to my Facebook page, the link in the description, and have a good day. Bye.